Spare me your mercy. I am a child so young, so thin, and so rough. Why are you staring at me? With my eyes, I cannot see. But I know that you are all staring at me. Why are you whispering to one another? What? Do you know my mother? Do you know my father? Did you know me 5 years ago? Yes. 5 years ago, Peter has passed. I can still remember the mother, I can still remember the God's happiness mother, and I share with each other. We are very indeed. We are very happy. Suddenly, 5 loud knocks are heard on the door. Her shoes was left. And a deep silence ensued. The cruel weapon discover her to call home. Mother went to father's side. Please, Louis, hide in the cellar. We're there in the cellar where they cannot find you. I pulled my father out, but he did not move. If we must go with me, we're due to the floor. The door went back, and before us, 5 uglies came running in. Are you Luis Santos? Are you Captain Luis Santos? Roared the uglies of all them all. Yes, said my father. You are under arrest, said one of the beasts. They pulled my father away from us. The father was not a given chance to lead us goodbye. We followed them mile after mile. We were hungry and thirsty. We saw a Japanese group eating. Oh, our mouths watered seeing the delicious food they were eating. And suddenly, we heard a voice call, Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar! We ran toward the direction of the voice call, but it was too late. We saw father hanging on a tree, dead. Oh, it was terrible. He had been badly beaten before he died. Vengeance! And I cried, vengeance! Vengeance! Everything went up. The next thing I knew, I was nursing my poor invalid mother. One day, we heard the church bell ringing. Ding dong! Ding dong! It was time for us to find a shelter in our hideout. But I could not leave my mother, my poor invalid mother. I tried to show her the way to the hideout. Suddenly, bombs started falling. Earthquakes were roaring overhead. Canyons were firing from everywhere. Boom! 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 Mother was hit. Her legs were shattered into pieces. I took her gently in my arms and I cried. I had vengeance! 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 No, Oscar. Vengeance is God. Said one. But I could cry out vengeance. I was like Pena volcano. Vengeance is mine, not the Lord. No, Oscar. Vengeance is not ours. It is God. These were the words
From my
said from my
mother.
mother before she died. Mother was blind, and I was blind.
forgive. To forgive is divine.
Vengeance is not ours. To forgive is divine. But vengeance is future. 5 years ago,
5.
5 years. That was 5 years ago. 5 years. Um, Spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am a child so young, so thin, and so rough. Vengeance is not ours. It's God. God.